Welcome to Art's Place, conservative talk from a different view, from the Casablanca studio in Golden, Colorado. Hosted by Art Carlson. At 4'6", liberals fear him, and conservatives love him. He's definitely a giant among men. Now here's your host, Art Carlson.
All right, welcome to another episode of ArtCo Drone Solutions. No, we're not ArtCo Drone Solutions. We are Art's Place, conservative talk from a different view. I'm doing too many shows. I'm getting all screwed up. I welcome my co-host, Lloyd Mendenhall, the grumpy vlogger. Welcome, Lloyd. Welcome to the show.
How you doing, Art? I bet you thought I wasn't going to be here, huh? I'd sat down earlier and set up the set, and then I realized that I had a couple other things I need to do for Mel's show and for my show tomorrow, and I was over on my other set doing that setup, and I looked at the clock over here, and I thought, okay, I got time. I had time to do everything. And then I picked up my phone, and it was like, oh crap! Click, and I came on as 2 seconds were counting down. Better late than never. What can I say?
Right.
Sorry, Art. I know we usually do a sound check, but you weren't here at 10 minutes till, so I thought, well, okay, I'll just take care of some other business.
Well, we've got a full menu today. Let me make sure. I gotta make sure that I'm on the right microphone here. I get a little bit of an echo. Maybe I need to.
Well, you're sounding good here.
I sound okay? All right, I'm doing something a little different. I've got the microphone closer so people in the chat can't say, hey, we can't hear you. So
yeah, exactly. So
we've got a full menu today. We're going to talk about the judge that threw out the Covington defamation lawsuit against the Washington Post. And then after that, we're going to talk about CBI puts company out of business. CBI is the Colorado Bureau of Investigations. What they did is they decided, hey, we're going to offer free blood testing. And not knowing that there's a company out there that does the same thing that a lot of law enforcement goes to, all of a sudden they're out of business because CBI decided to do what they're doing only for free. Wonderful. Isn't that great? Government at work.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to think. I mean, you're talking about in the case of DNA and stuff like that, right? Well, see, in Oklahoma, the OSBI, which is the Oklahoma State Bureau of Investigation, they're the ones in charge of that. So it's kept inside the state. It's kept inside the, so I don't know. Maybe, obviously, they do things. When I was living in Colorado, I didn't worry about who did the blood test. We didn't have DNA testing back.
Yeah.
And each police department did their own blood work. They had their own labs to do their own stuff.
That's right.
Now it's all farmed out.
I think CBI did this thinking, oh, we'll help out these rural police departments by offering it for free. And when they used to send their blood tests to an outside firm, and it cost them like $300 to $400 a pop. So now, it's kind of like China coming in dumping steel at half the cost at what it costs here. So
right.
Uh,
Yeah.
and also, another topic we'll talk on, the Supreme Court has okayed Donald Trump to use military funds to build the wall. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Excellent. I was good to see that too.
Mm-hmm.
I was glad to see it. Yeah, yeah. And it should be because, it's under his discretion as
Right.
commander in chief on how to do that. And not only that, it is a security problem. It's
Yep.
it's a security situation. He can't send soldiers down there.
No.
He can activate the reserves and the National Guards, but that's it. And if a governor decides they don't want their National Guard to be involved, well, okay, he's stuck with the reserves, and nothing against the reserves, but there's just not enough.
Yep.
And we can't use American troops on American soil,
That's
except
right.
at a time of war, And,
That's right.
So, that was the only thing he had left to do, and it's a security situation.
Yep, that's right. So getting back to the first topic, we'll talk about that the lawsuit that has been dismissed by a judge in where was that judge? The Covington lawsuit, and this is the lawsuit against the Washington Post for $250 million. And it's been a federal judge has thrown out a Kentucky teen's lawsuit accusing the Washington Post of falsely labeling him as racist following an encounter.
That has to do with the I think those were the teens that were, I don't know, they were visiting Washington or something, and what do you do there, Art? Are you trying to?
I don't know what the heck happened. Oh, jeez.
You got this yeah, you've got this sort of looking.
Oh man, I mean.
Well, it makes for a unique set, Art.
I know, but I have a black screen on my browser. There we go. We're back. How are we back here? Dang. Okay.
Yeah. Don't touch no
Let me
buttons,
go.
Art. You still got the
Let's see what
pattern.
we look like over on the.
Yeah, you still look.
Okay.
You got a checker pattern.
Oh man.
Dot matrix pattern. Have you
Yeah,
got a
I
monitor
see
going out?
that. Okay, Chris Hope is in the house, and Carlos from Back from the Sky is in the house. Cool. Welcome. And I'm getting a red dot for health. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. I don't know what to do.
You know what it is, don't
Should I
you?
stop and restart?
You can try that if you want. I think it's, probably the aliens from Area 51
Yeah,
causing
it
this
could
problem,
be.
but,
Or it could be those
they're
liberals on Facebook and YouTube that say, "Screw that
That's
little
it,
guy.
yeah.
We're going to mess with him."
Yeah, that could be it too.
All right, folks.
Back from the Sky
We're
says
going
he sees it's just the way we
to.
started. Okay.
It could be I have too many tabs open, and that's what's screwing it
You
up.
could.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me start.
If you should only have. Well, I need.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sitting here talking about this, and I need to shut down a couple of my.
Okay, it shows I have a green on my health, and you know what I think it's a vMix thing because that's screwy.
Did you
All
by
right.
chance do the update today?
Oh yeah, I just looked down there and
I wouldn't do it yet until we figure out what the problem is.
okay.
because
Man.
everything else, it's only your camera shot. Okay?
Yeah.
It's like, are you getting a double feed off your camera? You've just got the one camera, right? The
Yeah, just the
922?
one camera.
You don't have one on your monitor by chance?
No, I don't have a camera on the monitor.
Okay, all right.
You know what? Okay, hold on. I'm going to close this out and then turn it back on. Okay?
Okay.
And
So,
it should be okay.
everybody hang
Hold
in there
on,
with us,
folks.
guys.
We'll be right back. Hang on.